17th problem. 2a square plus bc minus 2ab minus ac. Solution given. Here they have given 2a square plus bc minus 2ab minus ac. Now bring 2a square minus 2ab together, and next write minus ac and plus bc. Arrange in order, second degree like that. And here 2 also common. There is one more hint. A is there common, so you write side by side. From the first two terms you can take 2a common. 2a you are taking common. In 2a square 2a you took common, one more a is remaining, and minus already 2a you took common, so b is remaining. So 2a into a minus b. Now you are taking minus common, and here c also common is there in these two terms, so minus c. So opposite signs, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Here a is remaining, here b is remaining. Keep in mind. So minus c, when you are taking minus and one common element, opposite signs. Now in the first term and the second term, a minus b is common. What is in the first bracket should be same in the second bracket. So from the first two terms you are taking a minus b is common. What is remaining? 2a minus c. Write that one. 2a minus c. So what is the final answer? A minus b into 2a minus c. Next, coming to 18th problem. A into a minus 2b minus c plus 2bc. Solution given. What is given? The question write first. A into a minus 2b minus c plus 2bc. Multiply first a with all the three terms. A into a square, plus into minus, minus. 1 2 is 2. A into b, ab. Plus into minus, minus. A into c, ac. Next, plus 2bc. Now a square minus ac make side by side, and here 2 and 2 is there. To keep those two terms side by side. How to combine, you have to get an idea. From the first two terms, a is common, so one more a is there, minus c. From the next two terms, minus 2b take common. When you are taking minus common, opposite signs I told you. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. In this minus 2b, a is remaining. Plus becomes minus, because minus into minus plus, opposite sign. 2b already you took common, remaining is c. Now from the first term and second term, a minus c is common. What will come in the first bracket? As it is should come in the second bracket. That is hint. Now you are taking a minus c as common, and what are remaining? A minus 2b. So this is the final answer. First problem. AB into x square plus y square minus xy into a square plus b square. Solution given. What is the given? You are writing AB into x square plus y square minus xy into a square plus b square. Now we are multiplying. A plus into plus plus. AB into x square is abx square. Plus into plus plus. AB into y square is aby square. Minus into plus minus. Xy into a square is a square xy. Minus into plus minus. Xy into b square xy. Now take these two combination. Abx square minus a square xy. Next, they take these two combination. Plus aby square minus b square xy. Now from the first two terms, a is common and x also common. So take ax common from the first two terms. Already 1a came outside, b can't come, and x square 1x. So what will be remaining in first term means bx. Minus is there, right? Minus. Here one more ax where common is there, we took one a is left and y is left. So ax into bx minus ay plus, from the next two terms, by is common. Can you see clearly? So by you are taking common, a is left, and here two y's are there, y one way y we took a common, one more y is inside. So ay minus is there, minus, here two b's are there, b square means b into b. So one b came outside and one more is left. X is there, y already we took outside. So minus bx. Now listen carefully. Here what should come in the first bracket as it is should come in the second bracket. Did we get here? We did not get. Here bx minus ay we got. Here ay minus bx, just quite opposite. Here plus, there minus we got. Here minus, here plus we got. Quite opposite. So what to do? Change this. When we are changing first term to second or second term to first term, sign will become opposite. Plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. Here plus is there, converts into minus. So ax into bx minus ay minus by. Now we are writing bx minus ay. Now what is in the first bracket as it is came in the second bracket. 2 minus 1 never will be equal to 1 minus 2. When it will be equal means 2 minus 1 minus 1 of 1 minus 2 means it will be opposite side. So be careful. Whenever you see like this, quite opposite, the sign changes. Keep in mind. Plus becomes minus, or suppose here minus there, here comes plus. For plus, no problem. Bx plus ay is there. Here ay plus bx also no problem, because 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2 same one. For plus no problem. For minus only you have to be careful. Now from the first term and the second term, bx minus ay is common. So you write one time, you are taking common again, bx minus ay. What is left means ax minus by. Ax minus by. So what is the final answer means bx minus ay into ax minus by. 22nd problem. ab into x square plus 1 plus x into a square plus b square. Solution given. ab into x square plus 1 plus x into a square plus b square. Now multiply. ab into x square plus 1ab is ab. Next, plus into plus x into a square is a square x. Again plus into plus x into b square is b square x. Now combine. ab x square plus a square x you write side by side. Next, plus ab plus b square x. Now you are taking from the first two terms ax. If you take ax, here b and x are remaining, because here x square means x into x, one x came also, one will be inside. Here a square, one a will be out, one will be ax, x came out. So what is the remaining is ax into bx plus a. From the next two terms you can take b common. So a is remaining plus one more b and x, bx. I told you what will come in the first bracket as it is should come in the second bracket. bx plus a, ax plus b, are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Addition, anyway we can write 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, answer is 3. So for plus no problem, only for minus you have to be careful. Now ax into bx plus a plus b into, now I am interchanging bx plus a. Now what is in the first bracket as it is came in the second bracket. So bx plus a took common, and what are remaining? Ax plus b. in the second bracket. So what is the answer? Bx plus A into Ax plus B. 24th problem. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2 minus 3x plus 3 by x. Solution given. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2 minus 3x plus 3 by x. Now the first three terms, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2x into 1 by x. It is in the formula of a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here x and x cancel, minus 2. We have learned the formula of x minus 1 by x whole square formula is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So for you to explain, I have written here ab. A is x and b is 1 by x. X cancel and only minus 2 is left. So whenever you see this one, you should get this formula in mind. What is that one? X minus 1 by x whole square. And from the next last two terms, minus 3 you take common. When you are taking minus common and 3 as common, opposite signs. Here minus becomes here plus. 3 already we took outside common, so one more x is left. Plus will become minus. Here 3 we took common because numerator and numerator 3. So 1 is remaining and x. Now x minus 1 by x whole square, this is first term, minus 3 into x minus 1 by x second term. First term and second term. X minus 1 by x is common because here 2 times repeated. X minus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x, that is the meaning of square. So we are taking common. One more time x minus 1 is there. If you multiply x minus 1 by x into again x minus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x whole square, keep in mind. So we took outside common because in the first term and second term we are having x minus 1 by x whole square and here x minus 1 by x. So we took common. One more x minus 1 by x is remaining and minus 3. Here already we took common outside. So what is the final answer? X minus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x minus 3.